So today I want to talk about Netflix and issues that you may be having. Now there's two main types of issues, one around internet connectivity, and then the other one is, if it's freezing, if it's shutting down, things like that, moving really slowly. We're going to start by troubleshooting the internet connection. So I don't have it right now, but I'll put a screenshot. If you're getting a message that says you have a bad internet connection and you can't move forward, what we're going to do, a lot of this work is going to be outside of Netflix. We're going to go check our router. We're going to make sure that that is in good standing. We're going to reset the network for our router. We're going to unplug the TV for 60 seconds, plug it back in, check Netflix, see if it's working. We're going to run a speed test on our TV to make sure that the internet is actually getting to us. How you do that is find the browser. All right, so we're gonna run our speed test, and you can see that I have a decent connection here. But if this number is low, you're gonna want to make sure that there's nothing obstructing your router. The closer you can get it to the TV, the better. And then next we're gonna check to make sure that our internet is actually still up. I have AT&T. I feel like it goes down at least once a month. If none of that works, you're going to need to reach out to Netflix or reach out to your internet company to see what's going on there. Now, if you're having issues with Netflix freezing or pausing or anything like that, where you can open the app and it works for a little bit, then stops working, this is where you're going to, first we're going to start with the same thing. We're going to reset our TV. We're going to unplug it for 60 seconds. We're going to let all that electrical buildup discharge. We're going to plug it back in. We're going to open Netflix and hope that fixes the issue. We're going to check our Wi-Fi. We're going to make sure that our router is in good standing. We're going to reset or restart our network. And once we do that, we'll come back, we'll check, see if it's working better. If that still doesn't work, we're going to open up our Netflix and we're going to open up this Get Help menu here at the bottom. In this menu, we're going to scroll down to a few options here. We can reload Netflix here. We can check the network to make sure everything is working well. Now, obviously, the internet connection's on our side, the Netflix server's on Netflix's side, so you would act accordingly based on the results here. And then we're going to sign out of Netflix and then sign back in. And then we can just exit Netflix as well. If that still doesn't work, we can factory reset our TV. Now, obviously, we don't want to do that because who wants to enter back their passwords for everything? That would be annoying, but it is an option if we're still having issues with Netflix. I know I'm talking about the TV here, but a lot of the stuff is going to work no matter what type of device you're on. If you're on your phone, if you're on a streaming device, everything. But actually, Netflix has a really good help document that I'll drop in the description below. These are other things that you can check out. So I'm going to go ahead and end this here. I hope this does help. If it does, if you could like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.